What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're in the garage because we're gonna make a video about the C-10. Something I really haven't shown on the truck actually at all, even on like most of my social media platforms and stuff. Honestly, because I haven't driven the truck at night. But I was gonna show off the rock lights that we have on this truck. They are from Infinite Off-Road. Shout out to you guys for hooking me up with the kit for this thing. Really cool kit too, because originally I had ordered a set of 20 rock lights for this truck, and right when I ordered them, they had hit me up and said, "Hey man, would you rather try our new product?" And I said, "Sure, yeah, what is it?" And they said, "Well, we have these magnetic ones." And I was like, "Oh, that's pretty cool." So I figured magnetic rock lights I could put in better places on the truck. I wouldn't have to drill holes in anywhere or anything. And I've got them pretty much all over. I'll kind of show you guys what they look like down here. Alright, so I have the rock lights kind of hidden all over the truck, and you can see one of them right there. They are really small. I mean, you can see that's my finger, so they're small, they're magnetic, they're clipped on. I've got them all over this truck, and I control them all with this app right here, so we'll go ahead and turn it on. But they're just the RGBW lights. You can see right here I've got them all underneath the bed. They're all under there. Let's put some green on. Here's the green. And I even have them under the hood down here as well. And we'll kill the lights. Alright, so you can see right up there, rock light, rock light. I have them on the insides of my fenders over there. I've got them all the way down there as well, insides of the fenders. But yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. It's subtle, but it's bright, just enough to light up the engine bay at night. Lights up the wheels down there on the bottom. And we've got them placed all underneath the truck as well. Nothing on the interior. Under the back here. And here we go. And that's it. Of course, we can change them to blue or red. I mean, it's everything's RGBW. So I typically run with them on green or white. I like the white because it shows off the frame. Everything is Bluetooth. It's done by this app right here. You can just turn them on, turn them off. It's got all the different modes and stuff on there, RGB, and all the different options we got. I'll put it back on white and turn it off. And let's turn off the battery. All right. All right, we'll get the light turned on back in here, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Super simple. I do have wheel rings for the truck, which we haven't even put on the truck yet. They've been sitting in my garage for like 2 years, honestly. Like, I don't even know at this point if we are gonna put them on, but yeah, I've got single row RGBW wheel rings right there. I don't know if we'll actually put them on or not. Maybe not, but I kind of like it without it. I had rock lights and wheel lights on all of my lifted trucks, and I liked it. It looked good, like it was bright. But with these bag trucks like this, like having 20 rock lights underneath this thing is more than enough to light it up. It's clean. It looks really good. Close this bad boy right there. Yeah. But that's it. A lot of people had asked me if I had them on the truck or had any lighting like that. Yes, I do. I just haven't shown it. I am going to add some stuff inside the interior. I'll probably put some LED strip lighting under the dash, up behind the sub box and stuff like that. I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. We haven't really done anything to the inside of the truck, but yeah, again, shout out to Infinite Off-Road. You guys make an awesome setup. I really like them because, like, I used to have 40 rock lights on my F-250, and those things were like massive pucks. You had to drill them all in. It took a ton of them because they really weren't that bright. I won't say what brand they were or anything like that, but these ones from Infinite Off-Road are crazy bright. You don't have to drill any holes. They're all magnetic, and you can literally place them anywhere that's metal. It adheres to it, and you can move them around. And I like it. I think it looks a lot better. It's a lot less subtle because they're easier to hide because they're so much smaller and they're brighter. So yeah, it's a good kit. You guys can definitely check them out. I'll link their website down in the description below. But another thing on the C-10 that I've really never shown you guys. So yeah, it does have rock lights. And next up, I'll probably do a video just on the wheel and tire setup on this thing, because a lot of people ask me what wheels I have on there, what size they are, the tires and everything like that. The wheels were custom cut for the truck, but we'll do a whole little walk around and I'll give you guys the specs and stuff for the wheels and tires. But appreciate you guys watching, and thanks again, Infinite Off-Road. Hit that subscribe button, drop some comments down below. Make sure you check out Infinite Off-Road's website. They got lots of cool stuff on there just besides rock lights. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.